the breed. Youths to be feed and the youth them in need. So bring the weed. The bobo got a hole. Feel a weed. Money with a big bag of seed to control the breed. Youths to be feed and the youth them in need. So bring the weed. For marijuana got to legalize. But tell the police officers to stop criticize. We want a TV station now fi advertise. Because we tired of the lies and all the compromise. Babylon give it cocaine to smoke for we moralize. And all them despise the weeds. All them realize. And all the youth them who were fool, all the youth them wise. They want the sweet cannabis and open up the right. That's why I want a whole field of weed. Made with a big bag of seed to control the breed. Youths to be feed and the youth them in need. So bring the weed. I got a whole field of weed. Made with a big bag of seed to control the breed. Youths to be feed and the youth them in need. So bring the weed. All and come again. I don't know. Big up to Prophet Benjamin. That is a good artist. That is a boss. I give him an endorsement. He have my respect. Not I, Sasha. I got a whole feel a weed. Spread the video, rock bulletin and rock and coming. I come to jam some people. Don't worry him, Lata. I hire back, y'all. I hire back with the nasty 103 and 106 Bania song. I go in and show the people who you is today. TV station now fi advertise. Because we tired of the lies and all the compromise. Babylon give me cocaine to smoke for remoralize. And all them despise the weed so me realize. And all the youth them who were fool, all the youth them wise. Them burn the sweet cannabis and open up their minds. That's why I want a whole feel. Wait, I have for the youths them? Not weed? Let me tell you something. Plenty of the youths and them don't smoke weed, they like it. Not everybody could like weed, boy. Not everybody is Lord Shiva, boy. Not everybody could take that kind of height. And then some of them don't disrespect it. They still like it. Hey! Now I want to tell you something about a fella called Ricardo Rankin. The nasty Ricardo Rankin. I come and follow. I come on for 5 minutes, we gotta go. Right? Big up to the people and them. Big up to the people who helping me. They say my voice is travel. Big up to the Ali family. This morning I'm pissed off. But I'm gonna be pissed off and talk good. To control the breed, youths to be feed and the youth them in need. So bring the weed. Nothing couldn't wrong with the thing, no. Nothing couldn't wrong with the thing. Nothing couldn't wrong with the thing, no. Nothing couldn't wrong with Selassie, I think. Hey. Well, if the I come to talk about him later in the album. We'll get a mental bomb out on the blocker. Only cocaine bar where they come out and the politician reach through all the youths. Yeah, Toppy and Sick, them in Bolaman. Them in jail for murder. But let's burn down house in Fireburn. And next one, take money from army. It is a let's shoot on the punishment. Kill the punishment, then they kill the brother the next day, next one the next day. But my Ali fight with my teeth already. And then 7 days we jam him and he yell up. We deal with the biggest thing in Trinidad, the biggest badger. I jam them already, boy. Philip Edward Alexander, he's a shit dog. Yeah. Philip Edward Alexander is a shit snake. All and come again, you don't know, boy. All and come again. I come this morning to talk what they doing him later in the although they come the last time and I jam shit. I come because I is a righteous man. And I come to talk about this weed. The weed is a cure this morning. So bring the weed and the oh, feel the weed. Yeah, no, me ain't talking about what she is. I'm talking about how they're fighting down the artists. They ban the girl song on the radio. Like that old song. Do Brad Foster do that sing over that? Like that song from Guyana by all the social bend up the cutlass in the head. Him not an Indian. Don't give a damn. Go up on the radio and jam the radio station. Jam 103. 103. Let me tell you something. 103.
103 is governed by Muslim. 103 is owned by Muslim. 103 is owned by Muslim, Trinidad and Tobago and the world. And they're using Hindu. They're using Hindu to make the money. All the money have been paid is because of the Hindu, because of the Indian, and it is owned by a Muslim. First, all you know that. I want to spread this morning to tell all you about. Weed is a cancer killer. Weed is a... That's why I write my own song. Not only Prophet Benjamin can write a song. Not only Prophet Benjamin can write a song. I too.
Say yo, waka man. You know, say Babylon, say what's the matter?
Oh, you want to chop down all the herbs with no waka?
Say Babylon,
not Bulaman, not Kia, to go away and have a prick. Tell me with the brandy, tell me with the seal. Long time Babylon will destroy me breed. Lock me in a jail and they say destroy me feel. Nastiness, Trinidad and Tobago. I could sing too, I have song for all era, but the radio station fighting me down. None they playing my song. I know going Iowa. I turn load the ganja, turn load the herbs, turn load the marijuana, turn load the herbs, turn load the ganja. Yeah why? In Bob Marley words, he call it a herb. You must work hard and supply the firm. We toil and we work to plant we ganja. And Babylon come and disrespect my waka. Say Babylon, say what's the matter? Why they holding me down by Trinidad and Tobago? All you come and walk this with the youth. Walk with the youths and them. They holding down Darrell from Synergy, telling the fella this and by Darrell, I jamming them for you by. I done start to walk everybody in the pot for you. You see the same day the man who take Darrell from Daniel from Synergy. You see the same day what happened to them? It had a time. Me and my in-laws and them, they went somewhere and we linemen. I was a ranker. I was a drink rum and trip off. And me and some fellas them we started a course thread. And one of my brother-in-law, me and he, big one, Rennie. We used to always follow me and he fight already, but we know we think. And I gone and I telling a fella something when he come out, I wasn't rich, gold and thing. I pay for girl and thing for them, I had money and thing, me and we are breaking up. Boy, and somebody thinking, man, I started talk to the man say, waka man, but union peacemaking thing, boy. I say, yeah, what's the peacemaking? He say, I say, jump in the car. And I jump in the car, take the full bottle of punch man, and I lego it in the mothers. But I jump in my car because the man is some bad man, eh? Now hear the story. I jump in my car and I start to drive. No, hear the back and my car leaking oil real fast. I went and buy oil. But the thing leak out so fast and start to go. And the engine mash up and the men come. And go to Port Harcourt and with them fellas in the car start to ball of God they go kill me yet and I begin a whole load of them only Creole. I jump out the car and tell the man soldier boy, oh shit boy, what sorry now buy ticket for somebody boy. It's not you I really wanted to do that by real sorry man. Me and the man reasoning to next man come home and hit my hammer in the head whap and knock out one time. I pee my fucking self do. You understand? So what I want to tell you today, people will be making wrong jail like the man from up the road. So they're nasty towards him latter dindial. I put in him in the pot for you to do good. You see all of them who fighting you dog? I gonna bring an internet radio station and your song will be #1. Me not due respect, maybe take the word in. You and them get airplay with do that we all are doing by. All the fellas when I get airplay in my radio station to start with a low man a screen and chat him on Mr. George Singh. Spread that video for George Singh for me. When you're picking them fellas and them, learn to change your chat name on Learn to change it. How the hell them fellas them could come and robbing people, thieving a Bollywood song, making thing. Now the girl take a little budget and sing it over an Abacanal song. All they having problem. Ban it on 103. But all your artists too nasty boy. KI, you and all too. You run Bill man from the radio. I just smoke cigarette, I don't give a damn. I just smoke my weed and everything, I don't give a damn. I don't smoke no cocaine. I just burn cocaine out. I'm catching anybody I catch selling cocaine. Any cocaine block. Anytime I catch anybody selling cocaine. Although he's my friend, all you hide. Because don't tell my friend too, I wouldn't have no friends. I don't have no friends like that fella they call Ricardo Rankin. You and a certain person, I wouldn't put them up because they help me and they have my wires. Having a sort of fake profile on the Facebook, right? And coming and text and sort of out of time and text. My boys and them, ORO, Link by Gunwood, and all I wanted to dig into the investigation with Ricardo Rankin for me. Because he come and see me talking and hearing about my child birthday and ask me where I want from my child. I say where I want, as if I want anything here with my child. He say he go send a bike for my child. I say if you ever send any money, send it for mommy. First the person who was texting trying to see if I want money, I tell them send it for Stacey Ramrock. They realize they can't come at me. Then he going and saying I begging on the Facebook. My partner, I just come and beg on the Facebook for Sally. I just come and beg on the Facebook for the girl who sent me the text where I sent for Legendary, and 4 girls I sent for you when they calling and crying. One of them say they have one eye. We had to take out girl from the crew and take out this month, one for the month, and put in the next one for the month. And give them girl them grocery. And give them something. Hey Mlata Dindial, let's spread this video rock bulletin. I come to talk about Hey Mlata Dindial. Hey Mlata lover, Hey Mlata, you is a boss. You could sing one, you could sing Chutney, all Chutney the song the way. I know I was talking about the other day. I was jamming all the artists, like my best friend Nigel Gobin. Although you have my best friend Nigel Gobin, take the wooden. Because all of we come. Redo locked on here. Nikki come. The little youth man Amit. All of we leave out, we were to go to the girl, Cheryl and Lewis on the TV. She come. Leave out, we will leave out to come to support you, give you all the support, tell your brother love, go and drop them, come back, spend my little hungry money too. $200, when I can take it for something and take a little drink and enjoy with my brother, thinking it's your birthday, it's your brother birthday, I love all you. Now when I ask you to do an ad for me, say hello, this is Nigel Gobin, big up to the charity boat cruise with you, man. You have no singers, only music. For the charity, the lady Law Sheehan, all support the boat cruise, you know all you want to do that. By Darrell from Synergy, let somebody sponsor him $10,000 a laptop and give a little youth man it. That is why Darrell have my respect. We don't care about nobody, boy. Yeah, Desmond Carty say all are we thief. Desmond Carty say that. I don't want to be putting somebody who thiefing and still doing good. I don't care about Robin Hood, boy. Jesus Christ talk about that in the Bible, boy. That is a different teaching with John and a different teaching with them fellas than them. You hear the different teaching with Moses and Jesus Christ, they compare it. Let me break it back down for all you. Right? When Moses law say a tooth for a tooth, a eye for eye, Jesus say he come to fulfill when a man slap it on your face. When Moses law say if you have a woman here and you commit adultery, go in with the next woman, you have to go with she and crack she, then you go become adulterer. Jesus Christ say if you watch somebody and commit lust in your heart, you already do it. Moses law, man say if you kill a brother, you go sin. That is sin. Jesus Christ, if you watch it a brother and hate it in your heart for no reason, it is also a sin. That is why all the offensive with the teaching. You understand, people? I don't like them thing. They're nasty in the radio. They don't play none of my song. Them no playing my mother's song. Well, let me tell you something, brothers. If all you come now and playing my little song for me, that I mean to say I go hush up and the rest of them who can't talk go suffer. But I out for them, boy. All you give me my say, boy. Mr. Kamlan, Mrs. Kamlan Rowley. All you give me my say, boy. Give me what I want, boy. Raji Prabhu want to go up for Karini Central. I going up to show something. All you come and vote for Wakaman for Karini Central with his new party. No PNM, no UNC. And they have to fund me. They have to fund me. And I will be getting, I could talk so much in my area that I will get the millionaires them to sponsor my area and fix it for me. And all the poor people. And I will be coming in Karini Central and taking land in all the little communities and get people together and plant. Get them together and plant. Let we have our own water treatment. We own little thing in the village. And when all let's see how we village living. And when all let's see how we start to live. I bet you all go want to the whole country go want to live so. All you come on, man. Come on and walk this walk. Little people doing their own party. But it's 2 years and a half. I come and sacrificing my life out here by Philip Edward Alexander is a shit tongue. He went talk the real thing. He afraid to talk. He went and joined with Kamala. So he ronking and all the time he just wanted to build a crowd, go there, let people hear him know and what will he do. He ain't rich and get the power. And he already do it. He's supposed to wait. Wait and see. Him like I didn't sorry for your girl. I real sorry. You see? Yes, he beg for that. Sally darling. Sally lover, you is a godly woman. And keep it up. And in behalf of God, I thank you. In behalf of God, I thank you that you could support good things and good deeds. that everybody going to press share for this video to talk about the nasty artists and them. They fight down him later than the girl. What a girl doing all the by? The girl catch she ass in the chat name on her. She come and she get on. She say she get rubbed. She come back now and throwing out some music and only ask her to show talent. She get rubbed with one song. She come back and put in it to show all the air. All the feel like a fight along. Look at jamming her next song and all here. She remix what she do. All them fellas them doing thing and reaching far. As the girl come in to jam all here. All they fighting on this song. But a song is a song, boy. You feel like got fight down any young artist going and take Wakaman song and doing a remix and going out there and doing something. You feel like go fight down anybody. But I go glad by. I go glad Philip is a sellout. All of them is sellout by. All of them. PNM and UNC that waste of time. All of them. Dr. Madam Kamla and all to her. You respect her. You is not the boss. God is the boss. You're a damn good woman. You're a good woman. I lie. But you can't run this country. This country we hard, you have to be hard. You have to be hard. You can't be a Sophie. You can't be a Kwame want to run this country. You have to be able to take bullet. You have to be able to dead. You have to be able to go through problem. You have to be able to be strong. You have to be able to know to stand up and tell Tom, Dick and Harry in your party what is what. Don't take no advice from this one, advice from that one, and them thieving all the money when we go to them. But them supposed to sign out all the kind of things I do for UNC. Them kind of hungry thing all they give me and whatever. Ranking. Bulaman ranking. Shitong ranking. But I will go and pull all my documents like Darrell. And this evening and do a video again. And show all the money that I have 5 years outside by. Show that the weight I have. Show that the things that I blank. When they want to carry around a lamp pole and let you cut and give you $1 million. Let you take 100,000 first and give them back 900,000. But it wasn't in them bullshit by. Soro Drambachan carry Fabok Jane, charge me, send me to court because I had everything. In Papuri Road. You understand? Soro Drambachan, the box ring was about 69,500. A little small box ring. And I went for the contract. And then behalf of me, a girl went and a next partner went. And collect for all the contractors. While Foxfire. Contractors, how they name Wild Foxfire, they rob all the other contract. They give me it. They give me it. And the next one called Ben Gaucher. Ben Gaucher from down in URP in Marabella. If you tell me how much money to make and you wanted cut back and kick back, I wanted help and I come by and you give me help too. Because I lost all my money in US. You can remember, 4 years now I suffering. And I stopped suffering because let me tell you why I don't care about money again. I don't care about money again. I live in happy. I live in damn happy. And all who name I will be calling and they is my friend, I still love all you. Take the wooden. Don't even Arnold Jordan, I send an love to them. Don't even Nigel Gobin, I send an love to you. Don't even Rowley, I still send an love to you. Don't even Madam Kamla, I still send an love to you, Hog Puja woman, and Baphomet Goat Rowley. Licking up Trinidad and Tobago. All the Caldiatri temple them trying to get me going in all how they pulling up laws to try to stop me when I say stop the blood press. Trinidad and Tobago, how that offended them so much, by how that offended the Caldiatri temple so much when I telling them stop all blood press. Is that we're causing anything? You may tell them why they're causing it. You see the last day when the Muslim and them, when they had the earthquake gone for Bakra Eid, the last sacrifice. As the last sacrifice day, you realize it's all the earthquake shake. Right after they legalized Bulaman. Remember I keep warning all you when I'm going up and drinking milk and only listening to Lord Shiva and only going like I was mad. I thought I go crazy over the gods them. Everybody, don't get my best friend and all too. You dress back and saying, nah, Redo them never give up on me. Redo one day, never. Redo and Nikki. All you one day. It are other people who close to me, they saying, I wonder if he, what going on with he. Because the spirit them, they didn't believe in the spirit. Some of them didn't believe in Mother Kali. No, anybody come around me. And I tell them already, fella who went and hit me with the hammer and I peed on myself. He dead, eh? That the fella who crash with all the dot in the mouth when they're going up Arima side. When they're going up, like you're going up from like you're going Arima Road, like you're going the road to go up there, like the fella who crash and flip out, get the video for it. All he knows had mud and thing in it. He dead. Richard, happy belated birthday to you too. And when all I was coming around me and I was crying and all the bacchanal were going right after Saray and Sampat brother get sub up. Right after the same man who come, the press man, black man, the Obia man, black man, put Rakesh Yankaran, and all vex with me, and Devin Katrai who grew up with me and vex. What it is true. Them is shit on by Rakesh playing Obia man by. He playing Kali man by. He using the mothers them for wrong. That's why when I talk you calling me, but it's true. Bull, Flash brother dead. He the man do the Obia and my ex-wife. Taking out Jumbie from she, cut she hair, put it in a bucket, and telling me go and give a boatman to carry it out in the sea. But what kind of bullshit I really hear in here, boy? And then my ex-father-in-law who lost the 48,000 with Anand Ramlogan. Nasty Anand Ramlogan. We won back with $48,000, boy, from Alvin Parry and you, boy. Because the Obia come and told you, you realize Moving Mitchell dead? Patricia and Dolphus, she know what to do? We going for Taradat Singh? We going for all them lawyers that will rob people by. Like why you come out here to do by? You see all the wickedness going on? Wakaman come here to do that. And Wakaman, let me tell you something. It has some of them who is bad on. Like Damien. Could snap finger and spend millions of dollars and wipe you out. Come to me now. Come now. Spend your money and come. Spend your money and come. Next one who call. The man who Ian will be talking about. He boy who alleged pay Balak sick to lick up the pundit man for land. And when the pundit man get lick up, you come back and next day after you lick up your brother, next day after, all you spend money and come at me. Like you see all your mother, brother, sister, you saw people getting bunks on the road, crashing, this one passing and they're shooting and killing people. You realize all they're dropping down and dead just so big I sacrifice my life for God, boy. I really sacrificed my life for them angels, them, for Mother Kali, for Jesus Christ, every one of them, for Allah too. You realize I'm giving all praises to the Muslim them. Giving all praises to my brother. I'm a good Islam brother them by. Oh, it's Bakra Eid right now, and Bakra Eid. It's Muslim, it's the month of Ramadan. And I want to give out all of them high praises to all of them. I love all my Muslim brother. All the cooking and eating and everything. The Muslim them, the nice one them, oh God, they're so nice. The nice Muslim them, so nice and sweet. They just sit down and line with me. They just eat and drink with me. How are you going? How are you going? Shelly, how are you going? I have a song about Shelly, you know. Shelly selling mango. I want you all to know that today for sure I go suck up Shelly mango. So I go suck your mango, girl. 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 I go bite out the skin and I go eat up the flesh. If you see how Shelly start to blush and zest, so I go suck your mango, girl. When I was sucking the mango, she loved my way and route. And she was smiling when I put the whole mango in my mouth. So I go suck your mango, girl. Girl, I go suck your mango, girl. Again, if you see she smiling, she loving my route. And when I sucking she mango, all the juice running out my mouth. So I go suck your mango, girl. So I go suck your mango, girl. That kind of lyrics I is, girl. All women, I give all of them respect. Patrick Stout, I see you, I hear you. I hear you, but I know everything what's going on, bro. You my bro, I know you ain't trying to. Before you go back, me and you have to spend a day with me and you at a line by myself. Because it's me and you that meet, not me and not everybody. If I and you, that meet through God. Not this one, not that one, and not anyone else. Not even my family or whosoever it is. I and you meet. Before you leave, I and you have to lie alone and talk and blog. You is my friend. Right now, brother, everything coming my way, you know. Right now, everything coming how I want to come, you know. You realize what's going on. You realize my own people trying to fight me down. Because here, why? When you see somebody create and they try to help you, and whatever it is, let me tell you something. If you help somebody, and them come like Bill Naman, I help Bill Naman to go straight up. I never jealous the man. But I upset how we move, so I just talk, but I still love him, and still will help Bill Naman. Although I was vexed the other day, I will help Bill Naman still. I have vexed him, I love him. If you only call me now, waka, I Bill Naman come, bro. You hear nobody phone. Anyone all who want to jam, all you call me come. I hear for you, bro. But don't vex when I'm talking. It's right for right. Jam me, I jam all your back. Yeah, Patrick, my boy, enjoy it in Trinidad, bro. Enjoy it, bro. You come down, you work hard, you catch your ass, and you come down. And anytime Patrick Stow reach by me, it's always something he give you, brother. He bring me a talk in the business, but he always bring something for you, brother. We meet through God, boy. Have a nice pair of shoes inside there. Are you wear it yet? That's how we just move. Trinidad and Tobago, I just come on for a little while to talk a few topics here and to show all you about things. Me talking nothing about nothing. I just do like spread this video and let them know we need certain things. We need to legalize weed. We need what's going on in the country. I said that bullshit and all this. Let we get together and all this come out and let we walk. This is not about money. I don't care about money. All of this get out, come out and walk with me. Let me do a peaceful walk in Prime Minister office. We need marijuana to be legalized. All you come and vote for me. And when they vote for me, I don't want the power. I give in the power to Daniel and all the people and them. I want to link up with the fella, Jaswabi, or Jablaze. We'll kill them with love. Or let's send out this message to Jablaze to me. Right? Tell Jablaze, I send out love to him. Jam them. I see Orlando actively doing a video and the man talking about Cuba and all of them come around and praying and whatever it is and things. Let me tell you something. I start them thing a long time ago. When I said they jamming people on Facebook and cussing everybody, then when he now start a video, I give everybody that inspiration. Nobody never to go up on Facebook and vent like how I venting and put out their problem and cry to the public and show them what I'm going through. What about the man who get locked up by Trinidad and Tobago and the world by his Ogun for them by Ogun. Nasty ranking. Talking about who are, by lucky thing is you is the same fake profile with everybody by. So they'll take on that ranking. Or they'll watch how they're trying to come at back, man. But honestly, beat them all the way. The fella get locked up 8 years in jail. He get locked up 8 years in jail, Trinidad and Tobago and the world. And he get locked up 8 years and now come out. He lose his wife, lose money, lose house, lose everything. Wrongfully. So what about my sister by 2 years in jail by that pretty little girl by? Has so much education by. What about it? And the man say prison officers say there are many people in jail making innocent jail. They investigate the matter. But police could do your wickedness by. A police could do your wickedness by. A police could even hear about. You see the same man down the road who was correct and he opened me mouth and the police hold him and lock him up and carry him down. Let me just say the police is wrong. But it take years of investigation. So you get your ass bust, get your mouth bust up, go down in the jail, they treat you bad, all the way they do you. You have to spend money and still wait a few years to see if you will get through. That is what I'm trying to tell you. That by it is a killing. That by it is a killing. When all of them get to know the pressure, all of them have to go through the court, it's better all of them fight the police them. All of them realize that they put in only have who have money and who up there and who are weight could fight back the people in them. A normal man can do it Trinidad and Tobago. A normal man can do that. When you see you do somebody that, you realize when you go and you break in somebody's house, and if you break into their house and you thief everything from them, and the police catch you, all they're doing is locking you up, send you to court. If they find anything in there, send you out on bail, and you had to keep going to court, and then that will come and just drop off just so, and the people them still lost everything. Think why showing all in? Because they are getting it back if the man spend it out. And he has no money to pay, and he has to make a little jail, or they have him on a bond or a bail. Is the court making that money by? Think why showing all that by? Everything is everything is just unfair. It could never be fair. Life is not fair. It's only we can make it fair by absenting ourselves out of the world like Jesus Christ. Right? Yeah, boy. I went to prison in Trinidad and Tobago. People thought I was thinking this jail. Well, yeah. Well, they thought now, man. That's all they could do, thought. That's all they could do. Them can't come around me because I don't do nothing. I don't be on nobody. I have nothing to hide. Bring everything. I could come in the morning time. Whenever, even when I go into jogging each other to show all it too. Anything I willing to do, bring it out. I don't give a damn about this world by. I don't care about this world by. Akuna matana by. It means don't worry by. Yeah, you see that? They exposed the Lion King. I preached to the Trinidad and Tobago. This is the end of what I had to say. The reason why I come on here to talk about is Rasika Dindial, how they banned the girl song, and when I tell you all about nasty radio station, all you come on and support me with everything loud in the social media. Thousands of people keep sharing me video, keep sharing me music. Because they what I just come to talk about. Them hold long the song. Them want to play a whole man singing gospel. Eh? That way they want to play a Bulla Man singing gospel. A year and something I was singing since 2018. They never play it on the radio.
This is Bakaman, alongside Young Venom. Too much guns and too much drugs. Here we are to see. Too many guns in the city, quiet now. Too many drugs in the town. Yeah. Too many guns in the wrong hand. That's the guy people shoot the people on a rap-a-bam-bam. It was a really Monday morning, yeah. He and the teacher start the quarreling, wow. Him get vexed and start the shooting a blue. You know the teacher then before the evening, yeah. Too many guns in the city, quiet now. Too many drugs in the town. Yeah. Too many guns in the wrong hand.
I that fella there right now old song by about jamming them. All the done with the Bakaman. Bye-bye,